Sunburn from the beach got me looking like a lobster.
The f is it?
Cause they're loving the crew. Loving the crew. They're loving the crew. Oh, they're loving the crew.
This bitch grabbed the last 12, had to put them in a sleeper. Then I went home and checked all the pages on my beeper. My penmanship is too legit, and so are all my outfits.
Encyclopedia. Encyclopedia.
Dude, why are you making so much noise?
Sorry, dude. It's probably the video game.
Okay, well, can you just keep it down? I'm trying to write a paper.
Yeah, dude, I got you.
Alright, thanks.
I really need to get this done.
That's what all my bros say. Please don't get confused. That don't mean I am gay. Just a straight dude who kicks it with an okay. I'm rolling with no myth.
What the f? Blake? Alright, dude, I know I heard something. When did Lamar get here?
Oh, dude, he's been here for like 30 minutes. Alright, we still haven't heard anything. I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright, I just thought I heard something.
Must be jerking each other off.
YouTube hit hot to hear people talking about how we think we're legit. This is just a joke. This is.
Alright, I gotta head out.
Alright, man.
Alright.
Wiggly. Actually getting kind of tired. What was that? That's what Nick was talking about.